thank you for joining me on this one-of-a-kind course. My name is Mor Sagmon, and I'm an Excel VBA master and professional developer of business applications for businesses all over the world. I've worked with companies such as Chevron, Shell Trading, Citadis, Superior Essex, and many others. In this course, I'll walk you through 105 Excel VBA functions that have been proven in real-life business applications I developed for my customers over the years. Unlike a boring walkthrough of explaining VBA, here you learn in the fastest way possible, which is learning by example. In addition to giving you actual code you can use today, each of the 105 pieces of code include a video where I explain the code line by line along with important programming best practices and VBA master secrets. You will not find any course like it anywhere. You will have the option of downloading all of these functions and using them in your own programs. I've also included user interaction dialog boxes for a professional look and a pleasant user experience. Use these user forms to create more dialog boxes for your specific applications. By understanding my thought process and how these functions are written, you will improve your own VBA skills when writing your own functions. In addition, if you plan to create Excel VBA applications for clients or even within your company, when you download these functions library of mine, you will have a solid foundation for actual business applications built with Excel. I've used these functions in projects for companies like Citadis, Resolutions Insurance, Hospitality Designs, Customer Faithful, and many others. This library will save you tons of time and frustration you would otherwise invest to create these functions yourself. I started computer programming at the age of 13, using technologies you probably never have heard about. Having worked for the software giant SAP for 15 years and having served as an information systems manager for 4 years, allowed me to become an expert in translating real-life business processes into beautiful, intuitive software solutions. The business applications I build on Excel are exceptional, as you'll appreciate during the course. I train and support others in building their own career. I offer online training and personal mentoring for a select number of software consultants. I'm a computer science graduate with a major in information systems and databases from the prestigious Technion University in Israel, and I make sure that my students get the foundation just right. So, roll up your sleeves for a highly professional, hands-on course with real-life business functions. Here we go.